Hello, my dear friends. I would like to welcome all of you in our today's topic. And our topic is describe a friend, person who is a good leader. And it is the part two of this topic, in which I would like to read our previous cue card and for just memory recall. And after that, I will read the mini story. And mini story is very important if you want to be a fluent speaker or and confident speaker. Okay. To get confident and fluency, you need to practice fluency a lot. And our next topic is describe a dinner you really enjoyed. So, if you don't want to miss this topic, or if you want to enjoy with us while learning, then definitely you need to subscribe this channel as well as like this video. And do not fast forward, it's an instruction. And if you are a good listener, I can say an active listener, then you can run this video on 1.25x or 1.50x. It would be good for your listening skill. Okay, here is our cue card answer for a leader person. Well, I would like to say something about my friend Rajni. We both had been studied in a same school and college for 6 years. I met her when I was in ninth grade, and we also had been lived in same dormitory room in our college hostel at room number 45 for 3 years. When we met for the first time in our school, she shook hand with me. Then we went to the school canteen and took a stroll on the campus. We talked a little bit about our past and soon we got to know each other. She was quite good at handling with complicated interpersonal relationship and had a strong leadership skill. When we had some difficulties in making a choice or when we had some interpersonal problems, we always called her for help. She could always give us a good suggestion and yes, with politeness. Student union had been joined by her when we were in college. The student union always carry out some activities, so they needed money to keep it running. Rajni was quite good at asking for money from many big companies for the sponsorship. The money she got during a year was much more than the total amount of the money which was got by all formal leaders of the student union. She had become the chairman of the student union in the third year of college. Nowadays, she has been working as a team member of Akal Social Welfare Trust. I can say she is an active member of their team. Actually, her battle is against poverty and provide medical aid to all poor people. She still has same behavior which she had in college time. We are still in touch with each other. Occasionally she called me and told me about her learnings which she has learned from life. After doing conversation with her, at last, I think she is a very good and brave leader and yes, a good person also. Okay, now it's time to read the mini story. This mini story is only for fluency purpose. There is nothing other mean in it. Grammar is not important while reading or giving answer, as well as correctness of your answer is not important. The important is you need to read it and immediately respond it. Okay, let me start. Would I like to say something? Yes, I would like to say something. Would I like to say something about my friend Rajni? Yes, I would like to say about my friend Rajni. What would I like to say? I would like to say something about my friend. The name of my friend is Rajni. Is Rajni my friend? Yes, she is my friend. Rajni is my friend. Who is Rajni? Rajni is my friend. Is Rajni a girl? Definitely, Rajni is a girl. Who is a girl? Rajni. Rajni is a girl. Is she my friend or rival? No, not a rival. She is my friend. I can say best friend. Who is my friend? Rajni. Rajni is my friend. Had we both been studied in a same school? Yes, definitely. We had both been studied in a same school. Had we both been studied in a same college? Yes. We both had been studied in a same college. Had we both been studied in a same school and same college? Definitely, we both had been studied in a same school or same college, or we both had been definitely studied in a same school or same college. For how long we both had been studying in the same college or same school? For 6 years. Had we both been studying in the same college or same school for 5 years? No, not for 5 years. Had we both been studying in the same school or same college for 6 years? Yes, that is correct. We both had been studied in the same school or same college for 6 years. Did I meet her when I was in ninth grade? Yes, I met her when I was in ninth grade. Did I meet her when I was in sixth grade? No, I didn't meet her when I was in sixth grade. I met her when I was in ninth grade. When did I meet her? When I was in ninth grade. Did I meet her in ninth grade or did I meet her in sixth grade? I meet her in ninth grade. I met her in ninth grade. Had we both been lived in a same dormitory room in our college hostel? Yes, we both had been lived in a same dormitory room in our college hostel. Had we both been lived in a same dormitory room in our college hostel? Yes, we both had been lived in a same dormitory room in our college hostel. Had we both lived a in different dormitory rooms in our college hostel? No, we never had been lived in a different dormitory rooms in our college hostel. We always lived in the same hostel, same dormitory room. Who had both been lived in a same dormitory room in our college hostel? Me and Rajini. Me and Rajini, we both had been lived in a same dormitory room in our college hostel. Had we both been lived in a room number 45 for 3 years? Yes, definitely. We both had been lived in room number 45 for 3 years. Had we both been lived in room number 45 for 2 years? No, no, that is wrong. We never had, or we had not been lived in a room number 45 for 2 years. We both had been lived in room number 45 for 3 years. Who had been lived in room number 45 for 3 years? Me and Rajni. Did she shake hands with me when we first met? Yes, she shook my hand when I met her first time. What she did when she met first time with me? She shook my hand. Did we shake hand or did we fight with each other? We shook hand. Who shook hand with each other after first meeting? Me and Rajni. Me and Rajni, we both shook hand with each other after first meeting. Did we go to the school canteen? Yes, we went to the school canteen. When did we go to the school canteen? After when we shook hand, immediately after that we went to the school canteen. Did we go to the school canteen or college canteen? No, 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 not college canteen. We went to the school canteen. Did we go to the school canteen after shook? Yes, after shook hands with each other. Yes, definitely. We went to the school canteen after shook hand with each other. Who went to the school canteen after shook hands with each other? Me and Rajni. We both went to the school canteen after shook hands with each other. Did we take a stroll on the campus? Yes, definitely. We also took a stroll on the campus. Who took a stroll on the campus? Me and Rajni. After shook hands with each other and after having or spending some time in canteen, we took a stroll on the school campus. Did I alone take a stroll on the campus? No, never. I didn't take a stroll on the campus. Did Rajni alone take a stroll on the campus? No, never. Rajni also didn't take a stroll on the campus. Did we both take a stroll on the campus? Yes, we both took a stroll on the campus. Did we talk little bit about our past? Yes, we did. We talked little bit about our past. Who did talk little bit about his past? Me and Rajni, we both shared some things with each other. Did only Rajni talk about herself? No, I also talked about myself. Did only I talk about myself? No, Rajni also talked about herself. Did we both talk about our past? Yes, definitely we both talked about our past. Did soon we get to know each other? Yes, definitely. Soon we got to know each other. When did we get to know each other? After spending a little bit time with each other, we got to know each other. Was she good at handling with complicated interpersonal relationships? Yes, definitely. She was quite good at handling with complicated interpersonal relationships. Was she poor at handling with complicated interpersonal relationships? No, she was very good. Or she was not poor at handling with complicated interpersonal relationships. Who was good at handling with complicated interpersonal relationships? Rajni. Rajni was quite good or very good at handling with complicated interpersonal relationships. Did she have a strong leadership skill also? Yes, definitely. She had a strong leadership skill also. Who had a strong leadership skill? Rajni. Rajni had a strong leadership skill. Did I have a strong leadership skill? No, not me. I was very poor. But Rajni had a strong leadership skill. Did Rajni have a strong leadership skill? Yes, Rajni had a strong leadership skill. Did we call her for help? Yes, we called her for help. Did we call her for the help when we had some difficulties while making decisions? Definitely. We called her for the help when we had some difficulties while making decisions. Did we have some difficulties while making decisions? Yes, many times, not some. We had many difficulties, or you can say, or some difficulties while making decisions. Who had some difficulties while making decisions? Me and my other friends, we always have had some difficulties while making decisions. What did we do when we had difficulties while making decisions? We always called our friend Rajni. Did we call her for the help or did we call her for play? No, not for play. We always called her for the help. We never called her for play. Could she give us a good suggestion? Yes, she always gave us a good suggestions. Or she could give us a good suggestion. Who could give us a good suggestion? Rajni. Rajni could give us a good decision. Could John give us a good suggestions? No, we don't know who is the John. So we don't know anything about John. So I can say Rajni could give us a good suggestions. Could Rajni give us a good suggestion? Yes, definitely Rajni could give us a good suggestions. Could Rajni give us a good suggestion with politeness? Yes, definitely she was very polite on that time and even now also. So I can say Rajni could give us a good suggestion with politeness. Who could give us a good suggestion with politeness? Rajni. Rajni could give us a good suggestion with politeness. Could she give us a good suggestion with politeness? Yes, definitely. She could give us a good suggestion with politeness. Had she joined student union? Yes, she had joined student union or student union had been joined by her. Who had joined student union? Rajni. Rajni had been joined student union or student union had been joined by her. Had I joined student? No, not me. I was very poor in interpersonal relationship skills. Had Rajni joined student union? Yes, definitely. Student union had been joined by Rajni or Rajni had joined student union. When she had joined student union? Hmm. In our college time. In our college time, she had joined student union. Had she joined student union when we were in college? Yes, when we were in college, she had joined student union. Where we were? We were in college. Were we in college when she had joined student union? Yes, definitely. When she had joined student union on that time, we were in college. Do student union always carry out some activities? Yes, definitely. Student union always carry out some kind of activities. What do student union always carry out? Some kind of activities like daily rallies and distribution of food in poor people or submission of fees of poor students. This kind of activities they always carry on. Does some activities carry on by student union? Yes, definitely. What does require to run all these activities? Money. Money is the key part. Money required to run all these activities, or money requires to run all these activities. Does money require to run all activities? Yes, money requires to run all activities. Was Rajni quite good at asking for money from many big companies? Yes, definitely. Rajni was quite good at asking for money from many big companies. Who was quite good at asking for money from many big companies? Rajni. Rajni was quite good at asking for money from many big companies. In what Rajni was quite good? Rajni was quite good for asking money from many big companies. Did Rajni ask money from big companies? Yes, she asked for money from many big companies. What did Rajni ask? She asked money. Did companies give money to Rajni for sponsorship? Yes, definitely. Big companies gave money to Rajni for sponsorship. Who did give money to Rajni for sponsorship? Hmm. Big companies. Big companies gave money to Rajni for sponsorship. Did she get the highest money as compared to the former leaders? Yes, she got the highest money as compared to the former leaders. Who got the highest money as compared to the former leaders? Rajni. Rajni got the highest money as compared to the former leaders. Did she have become the chairman of student union in the third year of college? Yes, definitely she did. And she had become the chairman of the student union in the third year of our college. Who had become the chairman of student union in the third year of college? Rajni. Rajni had become the chairman of student union in the third year of college. Had she been working as a team member of Akal Social Welfare Society nowadays? Yes, definitely. She has been working as a team member of Akal Social Welfare Society nowadays. Who has been working as a team member of Akal Social Welfare Society nowadays? Rajni. Rajni has been working as a team member of Akal Social Welfare Society nowadays. Is her battle against the poverty? Yes, definitely. Her battle is against the poverty. For what she is fighting for? She is fighting against the poverty. Is she doing her battle against the poverty and trying to provide medical aid to needy people? Yes, definitely she is doing this job. She is fighting against the poverty as well as try to provide the medical aid to needy people. Is she doing her battle against the poverty and try to provide medical aid to all poor people? Yes, definitely she is doing the same task. She is doing her battle against the poverty and try to provide medical aid to all poor people. Does she have same behavior as she had in college time? Yes, definitely. She still have the same behavior which she had in college time. Who does have same behavior as she had in college time? Rajni. Rajni have same behavior as she had in our college time. Does Rajni have the same behavior as she had in college time? Yes, definitely she had. She had the same behavior as she had in the college time. Are we still in touch with each other? Yes, we are. We are still in touch with each other. Do we talk with each other? Yes, definitely. We do talk sometimes and we talk with each other. And did she call me occasionally? Yes, she did. She called me occasionally. Who did she call occasionally? Me. Rajni called me occasionally. Did she tell me about her learnings when she called me? Yes, she always told me about her learnings when she called me. Who told me about learnings on phone? Rajni. She told me about her learnings on phone. Has she learned from life? Yes, she has learned from life, and or I can say many things or many experience has been learnt by her from life. Who has learnt from life? Rajni. Rajni has been learnt from life. Is she a good leader? Yes, definitely. She is a good leader. What do you what do I think? I think she is a good leader. Do I think she is a good leader? Yes, definitely. She is a good leader. Do I think she is a good leader or brave leader? Yes, definitely. She is a good leader as well as she is a brave leader because she is fighting against the poverty or try to provide medical aid to all needy people. Is she a good and brave leader? Yes, definitely. She is a good and brave leader. Is she a good and brave leader? Yes, she is a good and brave leader. That is all for today. With this, we are just about to end this video, and I will see you in our next topic, which is describe a dinner you really enjoyed. And till then, God bless you. Bye bye. Take care.